Hello children, today we are discussing about Khalji Dynasty. The first ruler of the Khalji Dynasty was Jalaluddin Khalji. He was a mild-mannered and kind ruler who adopted very lenient policies. Jalaluddin was assassinated by his nephew Ali Gurshab, and after the throne he took on the title Alauddin Khalji. So, next ruler Alauddin Khalji. Alauddin Khalji was a very significant ruler of Khalji dynasty. He was an ambitious ruler. He wanted to conquer the whole India. To achieve his goals, he took steps to keep nobles and landowners in control. Next, we want to discuss about how Alauddin Khalji expanded his empire, that is, expansion of the empire. Alauddin Khalji started the first step of the expansion of the empire with the conquest of Gujarat and Malwa, and he captured the forest of Ratnambore and Chittor. After gaining the power in north, Alauddin started to march towards South India. He was the first sultan whose army crossed the Vindhya mountains. A key figure in Khalji's South Indian expedition was Malik Gafur. Malik Gafur was a slave captured by one of Alauddin's generals during Gujarat conquest, and soon he rose as a general in Alauddin's army. He was very brilliant and capable. So, Alauddin gave the responsibility of South Indian invasion to Malik Gafur. Malik Gafur began his campaign in Devagiri. There he defeated Yadavas. He defeated several kingdoms in the south, including the Hoysalas and the Pandyas. The Sultan accepted huge amount as tribute from the conquered rulers. Alauddin made many changes in market conditions for keeping the price of goods affordable and imposed steps to increase the revenue collection of the kingdom. He made arrangements to buy all excess non-perishable commodities. Alauddin took steps to reduce the price of goods and commodities. He hired spies to keep the eye on market. If anyone violating the Sultan's order was severely punished. He started the assessment and collection of land revenue. The rights of local chieftains to levy taxes were cancelled and they were forced to pay taxes. And next, Alauddin introduces three types of tax system on cultivation, cattle and houses. The taxes on cultivation was called kharja, which amounted 50% of peasants' produce. The revenue reforms, including the reduction of market price, made more money available to the king. So, Alauddin was able to keep a permanent standing army. Even though Alauddin Khalji expanded the Sultanate towards south with the help of his trusted slave Malik Gafur, after his death his kingdom fell into conspiracy. Malik Gafur chose Alauddin's 6-year-old son as a puppet ruler, but his eldest son Mubarak killed Malik Gafur and took over the throne. Then Mubarak was murdered by a slave general named Khusra Khan, and he ruled for a brief time and he was defeated. Then the throne was taken by the governor Qazi Malik, who changed his name as Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. That gave the rise to Tughlaq dynasty.